Alright, this is going to be my video on D, the common difference in an arithmetic sequence. And that is exactly going to be my formal definition of D. It is going to be the common, which means the same, difference, which is a word we've seen in subtraction, in an arithmetic. So arithmetic here, that's going to be adding or subtracting, which is adding a negative sequence. And that's going to be, well, we've got a term, another term, more terms, going up and down by the same amount. And then for my informal definition, I'm just going to say it's a pattern that goes up or down, adding or subtracting the same. And I'm going to make an easy one for me to remember how I did it. And this one's going to be going up 3 every time. So here I could say that D is equal to 3. But some of them aren't that easy. Some I can't just look and be like, oh, it went up by 3. Sometimes I might have something funky, like this. So what I do is, if you want a foolproof way to always find D, you can take a term and subtract the previous term. And that will always give you D. So when two terms are consecutive, it's when they're right after each other. So if I wasn't sure, I couldn't look at negative 143 and negative 84 and be like, oh yeah, it went up by this much. I could take a term, so I'll take 84, and subtract the term before it. So I'm going to subtract negative 143. That's going to operationally change this to addition, but I still have a positive and negative, and it's going to give me 59. I can't take 143 and subtract the one before that because I don't know that. This is already the first term, so I would have to at least start with the second one and look at the first term. Or I could take the third term and look at the second term. So I could do negative 25 and subtract negative 84 just to make sure it's arithmetic, to make sure it's going up by the same or down by the same amount every time. And indeed, it is. So if I want a foolproof way to always find it, it's going to be taking a term and subtracting the previous term. That's always going to give me the common difference. Toodles.